Whew. Okay, I got the guard off. There it is. This one was really jammed in there. Sometimes they are. Those little tabs on them go right up underneath the lip of the unit. And so you see all the screws that I removed and the screws that I left. Okay. So basically what I'm doing is I'm lifting up on this part, pulling the guard out piece by piece. You just kind of start at one end, work your way around. This unit is like a U shape. See, there's fins all the way back there. So you kind of gotta pull this side off and then pull the whole guard this way. It'll come out of there. It's frustrating, okay? It's the hardest part of this job. But you got to get that guard off of there. You cannot comb it with the guard on, trust me. I've tried. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pick an area to straighten. You gotta straighten it first, okay? And this is easier to do with two hands, but basically you're gonna come in here and get these guys off of each other and sort of tease them apart. Okay, and again, you could leave it at that. You could, because again, we're restoring airflow, right? So once it's to that stage, then you come back with your comb and you're like, okay, well, let's see, is it a 16 or 17? And you just kind of run the comb over it a bit. And it looks like this unit is 16 lines per inch. If it wasn't, you'd see dark lines in between where the comb doesn't quite fit. And again, vast majority of units are 16s. Okay, 16 lines per inch. Some of the damage is light enough that you can just comb it, but like that. See how that works? Not so much. Okay, I'm gonna have to straighten that one first, and probably most of these will have to be straightened. What else? When you get down something like this, it's got a couple of broken fins in it. Yeah, just be careful. You can work it from both sides, but take your time. I mean, it takes a while. So that's the basic procedure, okay? And you're just gonna keep working your way down. Try to get as much airflow restored into the unit as you can.